we are going to do an unboxing. I got my sprocket that came in, so let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, here it is. So I got a 62 420. I don't know if you can see that. So it's let's get that right there. Put that there. Let's get a close up of this real quick. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, 420. Oh, I have an idea. Yeah, there we go. So 420, 62, half inch or whatever. So yeah, so that's gonna go on the bike. I mean, not the bike, the lawnmower. I'll do that in a little bit, but just wanted to show you guys. So stay tuned and see you in the next episode. Peace.